my phone and see from them where it is. Yes, Ivory Park.
Okay. So we went past Dries on nobody.
Ja, he phoned me.
Ah, what does he say?
Waar's Fritz op pad heen? Ek sê wat?
As David van Finalizing en hy Anton kan ek iets vra. Busy at the moment. I'm complete left. Let's see now which car starts driving. Vehicle still live.
Yes. Tell them, ask them, confirm. How long has it been since the vehicle is live? Yeah. And when was the last?
It was taken
update?
Pretoria West, yeah. It was saying live.
Murder suspect. They murdered the owner.
Yeah. At a house there.
Right, take photos of satellite.
In 1 kilometer, continue straight.
Where does it want to take us?
To Tembisa. Inside
but
Tembisa, Ivory Park.
Which road?
It wants to take you via the highway and then bring you into Leveling.
Olifantsfontein or not?
Yeah, via Olifantsfontein, R21. Then you're going to get off Tembisa.
Okay,
to
so
go,
best is to go right.
Towards... No, he has too many robots. Carry on straight.
No.
It's going to be better than you take that flyover
Okay.
to the R21. So let's zoom in on this location, yeah. Let's see here quickly. Satellite. It's standing in front of a house-ish type thing. Inside a property by the looks of it, or on the side of the road. But we know their GPS is a bit off.
In 600 meters, turn right.
And right, then you take that little flyover. There's no that little flyover piece. Okay, so taking this Pretoria flyover.
Keep left at the fork.
That's why there's usually cars that break down and come around this corner. It's double lane grapes. A lot less robot and it's not just one road going down.
Thank you, Rene.
That's where we're going.
You know, I took a bus and we went and the thing updated. One of our PFK recovery crews. We climbed up there, the people, number H100.
Yeah.
That's Ivory Park area.
druk die hele tyd.
Nou, alles op wat 'n vinger jy speel.
My thumb is working right up into my bicep. As a police officer. It's starting to rain, just be careful. This one, I'll tell you, it's not this one.
It's really fun.
That doesn't say what road it is.
Doesn't matter. It's the next one. It's really fun.
Exit 25. R562. Turning onto the M18. Yeah, it's literally across there. Alright, just send whatever info you have to me. You're going to turn right and then second one left and then we're going to now.
Okay.
Alright, no, it's still straight.
Straight still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ek dog jy sê is dit.
Okay, got me.
No, still straight.
400 meters.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Onto Poi Street.
Should be able to off.
Not yet, it's yours.
Unbuckle us.
Okay, after this road, next road right. And then second one left. coming up 100 meters.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Then.
This will be a C250 Mercedes-Benz silver in color. Delta Mike 92
Okay, how
or
far from here?
second one there by that taxi left.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Don't track hierdie ouens. Jammer seun.
Where's the AK, Boeta? Okay.
So can see this, né?
Yeah. Go straight. Silver. C250.
Daar staan hy. Is it
Your
net
destination is on the
Should be
left.
right here.
Silver
Should be
Chandler.
standing here.
inside the property?
There.
Is that?
That's a silver Merc.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Get down! Get down! We're from the hijacking unit! Alright, get down! On the floor! Move back! On the floor! Alright, we are from the anti-hijacking unit! Is there anybody else in this house?
No.
Only you guys! Alright! Come up. Guys, the vehicle outside is a hijacked vehicle. The Mercedes-Benz is a hijacked car. Alright. So they murdered the person who took, the owner of this car. They murdered the owner of the vehicle. Alright. You are the landlord of this property. You should know. Yes. So you should know about this car. We will be arresting you.
Definitely sure.
Alright. Alright. Help go back up there. This is a Schedule 1 offence, alright? This is very, very serious. Guys, keep your hands behind your back. I can see them. Thank you so much. My friend there, your hands behind your back, on your back. Thank you, my buddy. Mamiki, I want you to rather sit there for me. I want you where it's calm, out the way, just calm, sit there for me, please. Thanks, my lovey. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna let you do this. Because I'm gonna just keep on. Okay, guys, at this moment, you are under arrest for possession of suspected stolen property. Do you understand? Right. Came out, we couldn't wait. We just had to take them down. That's it. Dankie. How's it lekker in jy? Good man. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just want to have it. They are with flying squad right now, yes. It was hijacked because it was an old one. The old guy was murdered. Original reg is Bravo Mike 96 Yankee X-ray.